My fellow citizens, Ivan Mawarire here. Thank you. Ndinotenda ngiyabonga kakhulu. I don't know what anditomboziva kuti ndoti kudi. What an amazing day that we have had. Today in Nininewe we tawona the power of unity. We saw the tawona kubatana simbare kubatana. Maita zvenyu, I had no idea kuti people were praying and dancing right across the world. I heard there were people praying in the UK, Babatana. I heard in South Africa that got together, in America, Australia, in Zimbabwe, Bulawayo. There were people at the court. I wasn't even in Bulawayo. In Harare, there were thousands of people. When I came out of the court, I could not believe what I saw. Thousands of people that were there. Thank you so much. This is what it means to be united in building our country. You did so well. There was no violence. No one was fighting. No one was throwing stones. This is, you see, Zimbabweans are peaceful people, and we can do this very well with peace. So well done, and I want to thank you so much for doing that. Now, citizens, we called the Stay Away for Wednesday and Thursday. This is our way of sending a message to our government kuti enough is enough. Ndo message yatiri kutumira hurumende kuti zvakwana veduwe kana tichikumbirawo kuti zotichinjirewo chakati hatisi kukuvengai aiwa tiri kuedza kuda kuti muzive. We want you to know we are not just hating the government for nothing. We actually want you to know the reality on the ground. So we have demands that we have asked the government to look at. Pane zvatakakumbira kuti hurumende tarisaiwo zvinhu izvi mutibatsire. Saka nanhasi tinongozvikumbira zvinhu izvozvo. Saka mangwana iThursday Stay Away yedu is on. Udza munhu wese waunoziva, tumira video inoyi kana kubva wangotumira iri text message kana WhatsApp and tell them kuti izvo pastor vati izvo ngoma ndiyo. Tell them the pastor said we carry on with our Stay Away and shut down tomorrow Thursday. And let's send this message clear to our government that enough is enough. Remember, continue to pray for Zimbabwe. God is doing something special and amazing. There is a hope inside you that this country needs. And if you don't get involved, you are robbing us of that hope. Pane tariro iri mauri inodiwa nenyika inoi. And ukasati patariro iyo iyi watibira ramangwana rere. May God do well for you. Keep praying. Pastors, you are the best. You've prayed for Zimbabwe. Thank you for your support today again. All the lawyers, everyone.